In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Cash App accept payments automatically. So as of the recording of this video in 2025, there is no built-in feature. However, there are some things that we could do in order to make the transaction process significantly faster. And the first thing you always want to do is you want to make sure your Cash App account is verified. It's really important that you do that because if your account isn't verified, then you're going to have to go through a lot more hurdles whenever you're trying to do transactions. Alright, so users who you previously transacted with are typically deposited automatically into your Cash App balance, provided that the sender has sufficient funds and that there are no security flags. So typically after someone sends you money on Cash App, then the next time they send you money, it is just going to go directly to your Cash App balance. You don't need to worry about waiting or anything like that, and it is going to accept the payment automatically. So if you want to, you could have like the other individuals send you a small transaction at first, and then the following transactions they can go ahead and keep sending it to you over and over again. But all it takes is one beginning transaction in order for the auto accept to actually start running. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.